Top 3 action cameras of 2025 capture the best moments. Imagine capturing your most epic adventures with top-notch quality and no limits. Action cameras are the ultimate companions for anyone looking to take their content to the next level. Compact, tough, and built for action, these cameras can handle water, dust, shocks, and even extreme temperatures. No matter where you are, they're always ready to roll. With wide-angle lenses, you can capture the entire scene in stunning detail, whether you're on top of a mountain or diving into the ocean. Plus, their ability to record in 4K or even 5K makes every moment look absolutely breathtaking. Thanks to slow motion modes and advanced stabilization, your videos will be smooth and professional, no matter how intense the adrenaline rush. And that's not all. Many of these cameras feature voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and tons of accessories, so you can take them anywhere, from your helmet on a motorcycle to a drone in mid-flight. So, are you ready to capture your most extreme moments and turn them into epic content? The action is waiting for you. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a next-generation action camera designed to capture images and videos with exceptional quality in any environment. Equipped with an advanced 1/1.3-inch sensor, it delivers stunning 40-megapixel photos, ensuring outstanding resolution and detail. Additionally, its ability to record in 4K at 120 FPS provides cinematic smoothness. Ideal for dynamic and high-speed shots, one of its key advantages is the 13.5 stop dynamic range, which optimizes exposure in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring deep blacks, well-defined highlights, and vibrant colors. Its advanced horizon-steady and rock-steady stabilization technologies effectively minimize vibrations and keep the horizon level, delivering professional-grade footage without requiring post-production. The Osmo Action 5 Pro features a dual OLED touchscreen with a 1.46-inch front display and a 2.5-inch rear display. Both screens offer high brightness levels, 800 candela per square meter and 1000 candela per square meter respectively. Built for extreme conditions, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro operates in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius and is waterproof up to 20 meters without extra housing. Its durable design makes it ideal for extreme sports and outdoor adventures. With a 1950 mAh battery, it delivers up to 4 hours of continuous recording, while 47 gigabytes of internal storage ensures users can capture content without solely relying on external memory. For seamless connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and USB 3.0 for fast file transfers. It's also compatible with DJI Mic 2, guaranteeing clear professional audio. Perfect for vlogs and high-quality productions, DJI offers various accessories, including the Adventure Pack, which adds extra batteries and an extension rod for more creative possibilities. With these features, the Osmo Action 5 Pro stands out as a top-tier action camera for creators and adventurers alike. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the ultimate action camera for creators and adventurers. Featuring a 1/1.9-inch sensor, it captures 27 megapixels photos and records in 5.3K at 60 FPS, delivering cinematic quality with HDR and GP-Log for enhanced color depth. With HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization and auto boost, it ensures ultra-smooth footage in any condition, while the 360 degrees horizon lock keeps shots level no matter how much the camera rotates. Its 1900 mAh Enduro battery provides up to 1.5 hours of 5.3K recording, and its 10-meter waterproof design makes it perfect for extreme sports and underwater adventures. Featuring Bluetooth audio and Wi-Fi 6, it enables fast connectivity and supports wireless microphones for professional sound. Plus, the GoPro Quick app makes editing and file transfers seamless, compact, powerful, and versatile. The Hero 13 Black redefines action capture with professional-grade quality. The Insta360 X4 is a next-generation action camera that redefines 360 degrees video capture. Equipped with a 1/2-inch sensor and a f1.9 aperture, it records in 8K at 30 FPS and 5.7K at 60 FPS, delivering stunning levels of detail. For slow motion shots, it records in 4K at 100 FPS, ensuring smooth motion capture for photography. The X4 offers 72 megapixel images, guaranteeing high resolution and ultra-sharp captures. Its flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock eliminate vibrations, and keep the horizon level in any situation beyond 360 degrees capture. It features a single lens mode, allowing recording in 4K at 60 FPS, similar to a traditional action camera. Its active HDR mode enhances lighting in complex scenes, ensuring balanced colors and greater detail in highlights and shadows. The Insta360 X4 includes a 2,290 mAh battery, providing up to 135 minutes of continuous recording in 5.7K at 30 FPS, a 67% increase in battery life compared to its predecessor. It is waterproof up to 10 meters without an additional housing, making it ideal for water sports and extreme adventures. One of its most innovative features is the invisible Selfie Stick, which creates dynamic shots that mimic drone angles without needing an actual drone. It is also compatible with various accessories, including lens protectors and invisible dive cases, expanding creative possibilities. The camera features a 2.5-inch touchscreen with Corning Gorilla Glass, providing a durable and intuitive interface. It also includes gesture control and voice recognition, making it easy to operate in dynamic situations. With its combination of 8K resolution, advanced stabilization, and versatility, the Insta360 X4 is an essential tool for content creators and adventurers looking to capture the world without limits. After analyzing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, GoPro Hero 13 Black, and Insta360 X4, it's clear that there's no absolute winner. Each camera is designed for a different type of user. If you need extreme durability and long battery life, the Osmo Action 5 Pro stands out with its 4-hour battery, 20-meter waterproofing, and 4K at 120 FPS recording, for those who prioritize maximum stability and image quality in demanding conditions. The GoPro Hero 13 Black offers 5.3K at 60 FPS, HyperSmooth 6.0, and 360 degrees horizon lock, making it perfect for intense sports action. On the other hand, if you're looking for the most creative and versatile option, the Insta360 X4 excels with 8K 360 degrees recording, allowing for dynamic and innovative effects with its invisible selfie stick and flow state stabilization.